Ah, there you are. Hi, Poppy here. I'm taking a short 20-second clip of this shipping label here. Then I'm going to hold it up to the webcam. Snoring! Okay, I ordered this. You can probably read. My name, the address, Poppy's Workshop YouTube channel. Yeah. You know, I was having all kinds of problems with my bandsaw. Then I watched Mr. Pete's just recent series on working on his Craftsman bandsaw. Was it a Craftsman? And I discovered that there was a major reason why I was having trouble with cutting stuff on my bandsaw. You see, there's this important accessory that you need for a bandsaw. Blades. Oh, come on, that's funny. Nope, they didn't put Poppy's Workshop on my new catalog. Oh, I bet the next one they mail will have it. Anyway, this is the bimetal blade. High-speed steel bimetal bandsaw blade for micro bandsaw MBS/E, varying teeth 10-14. Warning, this product can expose you to chemicals including wood dust, which is known by the state of California to cause cancer. For more information, go to... Yeah, okay. Now I know why Arduino versus Evil uses a chainsaw to open boxes. There you are. That's a Proxxon number 28172. Whoa. Poppy's buying Proxxon parts now. Remember these? They started advertising in the 70s. You can cut a penny in half. Once. Only once. Hey, that part went okay, okay? Now let's peel this. Just happen to have a pair of curved iris scissors here. Yeah. Very carefully, because they want to spring open. There we go. Okay. Now, do not do this. Don't. Don't say you saw me do it. Don't even think about wanting to do it. Now, too small. This baby is just too small to, you grab it like so and you go, and it goes back to where I had it before I took it out of here. It ain't going back in here ever again. Now, bigger, larger diameter band. I've done them. No problem. But, you know, how do you tie a 1/4 inch long piece of 1 inch rope into a square knot? Can't happen. It's impossible. And just gonna go on the bandsaw, and next time you see it, I'll be cutting some aluminum. Then maybe some steel. Hopefully not any fingers. Later, kids.